My unboxing video for the Fat Freezer Platinum, which I got last night in the mail, but I was too tired to make an unboxing video. So I'm going to do it now. So, let's open the box. The first thing, this didn't actually come in the box, I just put it in the box so it would seem cooler, are these glycerin sheets. Now these have to go on the device before you put it on your body, or else I think you freeze yourself pretty bad, which would cause a burn. So these are really important, and they come 9 in a pack. This is the strap. It goes and attaches to the machine so you can attach it to your body. Here we have the power cord. It's kind of a big one, but I guess things need power, so why not? And this is the machine itself. This is the front that does not go against your body. This is the part that goes against you. It's even kind of cool to the touch through the plastic, so that's kind of cool. Also included in this box were a set of calipers, because if you want to measure your own fat ratio, why not? Also a nutrition guide, dependent on your weight. A 6-week exercise program, which has a nifty little schedule for you. A user manual. And an instruction manual. So they have you pretty well covered. So I'm excited. This could be really good or really bad. We'll see what happens.